Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interest. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you. Let's examine Guidewire, a cutting-edge insurance program and its uses for accelerating insurance processes.
This is the zip file I have. I'll tell you for the Java version 1. Did you install DCVM? For DCVM, it did not allow me. Let me show you what I was. This one, right? When I go to this, it says like Java. This is what it says. And whatever I do, it says like I need to. You need to actually run as an administrator. There was one command, right? Even if I run with the administrator, not like this. You need to do it from the command prompt. From the command prompt, just open CMD, right click. As an administrator, go to this. You go to the Documents folder. In this, it should be Documents C, D, Results capital. Capital what? Or else you can copy it somewhere else, right? Some other folder C, and then after that in users, it isn't that this is not no, this is not that one. Now there is a command go to this file, how to make Scratchpad work in GW9. There would be a command written here. You need to run that command here. Scroll down. This one. Copy and paste it there. From Java, you need to copy, not int. It did not copy it. Control C. It's not copying this. What is this most? We just disabled because of Office. Product is inactive. Can you activate this one? Or else you can type also. Sorry to open this one. That window is open, now replaced by DCVM do. That window is open, now replaced by DCVM do. Now install DCVM as all GVM. That also you can do. But it should bring in the GRE also. That's fine, we'll find it here. Is something happening? Actually, in the directory, only JDK is mentioned here. With JKGRE also gets installed actually by default. I don't know why it is not installed in this case or your case. But let's see in our mind about it. We'll see whether it gets our studio gets started or not. Just close it. Go back. Now, instead of this, you can go to, I recommend you not to do it from here. Just type same. Go to training app folder. Go to training app folder. Here you can type Gub Studio. For ball, Space Studio. This is the command to start the studio. Gub, you can see all the commands. If you do Gub and enter, you can see all the possible commands in Guide Rack. Training App Studio will open now. Java home variable is not set. Did you set the Java home variable environment variables? Then why it is showing error? It did not show any error, right? It did not throw any error, but still it should not give this message also. Did it open anything? The studio has opened. Nothing. I'm not able to see any other window. I mean, it did not open anything. I'm trying to show the system variable. Please show me the system variables. These are the user variables in the system variables. In the path right. In the path. You have it. And define the Java home variable also. Cancel it. Don't define it directly. Scroll down. Is there any path named Java home already? Create one. And then because it will not give an error in that case. A bin you need to remove. Just remove bin. And then go to the path. From go to path. And then we'll put the Java home variable here. Edit this one. Percentage Java home percentage and set in sign. Slash up. Now it is starting, I guess. Well, it's the same thing. Build cache is an incubator. ID property. They closed this and tried again. Yes, we'll do that. Studio. Did not throw that error, but the server studio should be open. Now it's opening. Now it's opening. Yes. Starting Guidewire Studio. Now it opens. We'll do two things here. First thing first is we will drop the DB. I'll tell you, can you maximize the studio? This is how your studio looks like. If you'll go to the above options, there are options like File Edit View, Navigate right. We'll get to know about all these options slowly when we will move forward right throughout the course. You'll get all the functionalities of this, but right now go to the run. If you want to do DB drop, then what we can do, go to the debug. Click on this. There is an option DB drop. Whatever the drop. No, it will. It has started already. You can see at the top and then last corner right. Two processes are running. It's running in the background. It will take some time because it will first compile all the classes and then it will initiate the DB drop. Let it be. When you say DB drop, what exactly is happening? Debug. Whatever data is there in the database right now. It might be some junk data is already present in this. That data will be deleted, those junk data would be deleted. On databases, do we do anything like that? No. We are doing it for when we are starting it for the first time. That's it. On day-to-day basis, we don't do it. And this would be only for the training. No, this is for each and every application. But usually you don't drop the database right. No, usually we don't drop the database because we prepare the database right on daily basis and that database is very critical for us to use right. We don't drop DB every now and then. It's just the first time we are doing it because we just need to start our server very freshly with the fresh new data. We don't want any junk data in that. That's why we are doing that. Just a cleanup. For the training app, what we did is we went to this folder, but say if I am working, I will not have anything like this right. How do I open the No? You will have this setup with you. No, I mean if I am working somewhere, still you will have that setup with you. For Claim Center, you will be having that. It will be similar like GUtest. Yes, it will be similar. You will have everything similar to this. Got. You will have you will get a folder named Claim Center and there you need to just go to CMD, type the command gub studio. It will open the Claim Center studio for you. Got? Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.